The Aries. Aries is the beginning of everything. It is the owner of the first house of the natural zodiac. Being the first house, it represents all kinds of new beginnings. The individual with his or her moon or ascendant sign in Aries will carry the characteristics of this particular zodiac sign. They are always developing a new personality and learning new things. It is natural for them to embrace positions of power and responsibility. They are very energetic and never lack boldness. But they can be self centered and easily prone to anger issues. Anger is the major drawback for an Aries person. They like to win at any cost, and at times they also ignore the feelings of others while pursuing their goals. So, for victory, they can even sacrifice relationships and friendships. They can therefore be very difficult partners and also do not make good employees as they have natural leadership qualities. Their natural leadership quality does not allow them to take orders from anyone. Their natural instinct is to be an employer and a boss. They get opportunities to start something new, afresh, but quickly lose interest if things are moving at a slow pace or there is interference from others. So they like to do things at their own pace in their own style. Of course, slow and steady is not their style. They tend to be healthy and fit as they love to exercise and carry out physical work. Activeness is the key word for Arians. However, they are prone to head injuries and should be careful with regards to this. They should learn the importance of proper sleep and inclusion of vegetables in their diet. As parents, they can be strict and impatient with their children. An Aries child is energetic, loves sports, need to be disciplined, but being too strict or harsh with them will not help. In matters of love and romance, they can be extremely passionate and sexual. In the house where the Aries energy lies is where you need to grow and develop. New things will begin from this house. You need to learn to be independent in matters of significations seen from this house. Where the Aries energy falls or in the planets placed in the Aries sign. Example, if Aries sign falls in the 10th house, which is the house of career, one has to have control, likes to have control over his career matters, does not like interference from others, needs to be independent in matters of career. When Moon is in Aries sign, a person needs to have control over thoughts, be independent in thoughts. They can be impulsive, energetic, enthusiastic, and action oriented in regards to houses or planets in the Aries sign. Since Aries planet, Aries sign is the lord of the first house in the natural zodiac sign, the significations of the first house become very much prominent with Arians. That is the physical body, the overall health, energy, and new beginnings. The keywords for Aries are leader, enthusiastic, inspirational, ambitious, action oriented. Their physical features are generally lean and muscular body, round eyes, curly hairs. The body parts seen from the Aries is head, face except for nose and brain. The ruling planet is Mars. It is a masculine sign, a movable sign, and a fiery sign. It represents the first house of the natural zodiac. The metal for Aries is iron. The colors are bright red, gold, and deep blue. The positive attributes for them are inspirational, courageous, enthusiastic, original, independent, confidence, and willpower. The negative qualities are impatience, aggressiveness, headstrong, selfishness, impulsiveness, stubborn, tendency to quarrel, and prone to anger issues. What an Aryan personality needs to learn is patience, control their temper, and completion of tasks. An Aries man, when not satisfied, can leave a task midway, especially when things are not going their way or there is an interference from a third party. The general auspicious years for Aries, or the ages for Aries, are 16, 20, 28, 34, 41, 48, and 51. The inauspicious ages are 1, 3, 6, 8, 15, 21, 36, 40, 45, 56, and 63. The professions related are medicine, surgeons, dentists, athletes, steel workers, military, politics, and salesmen. Remember the word action, energy, and the planet Mars to understand an Aries native. I hope you have liked the video. Please do share and comment, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.